Everybody wants to become wealthy, yet most people never achieve it. But why? All of us have 24 hours in a day, and all of us have more or less the same brain capacity. So why do some people become insanely wealthy while others remain in poverty their entire life? That's the question that we all have on our minds. Imagine for just a second that you have a long wooden board, and all that you need to do to achieve wealth is to attach this final board to your metaphorical house of wealth. Now, all of us start out with the same board, and all of us are, for the most part, really close to becoming wealthy. And so here we are, standing there with our little board, thinking about all the things that we are going to buy with our successful business or whatever it is that we want to make money with. And so we put our little board into place, and we proceed to grab not just one, but 5 different nails out of the nail box. And we put one nail in, and we hammer it a few times, but it doesn't go all the way through the board. After a few hits, we get tired of our first nail and it doesn't seem like it wants to go in, so we grab another nail out and then we hold that one against the board and we give that one a good smack. And after a couple of hits, the second nail starts bending and it goes sideways in such a way that we can no longer hammer it in any further. And so we grab another nail and another, and each time we either get bored or too tired to continue hammering the nail in. Before you know it, we've got 11 nails stuck all over at different points of the board without ever managing to hammer in a single nail all the way through. Now, as humans, we have a limited amount of attention or power, as the ancient Greeks called it. So how we use this focus is extremely important. And a nail that is consistently hammered will eventually break through the other side. When we scatter our attention or when we scatter our power, none of the nails ever make it all the way through. So to become wealthy, focus all of your power or attention or energy on that one thing that you're focusing on until you succeed with it, or until you receive multiple clear signs that you should abandon it. And with that said, you guys are awesome, and until next time, thanks for watching.